Imagine never having to plug in your EV again. No more tangled cords, no more worrying about finding a charging station. What if I told you the future of electric vehicle charging is already here, and it's completely wireless? Sounds like a dream, right? But is it too good to be true? Today, we're diving deep into wireless EV charging and asking a simple question. Is this the end of cables? Welcome to House of EV, your trusted authority on everything related to electric vehicles. Whether you're a new EV adopter or a seasoned enthusiast, this channel gives you the data-driven insights you need to make informed decisions. In this video, we're unpacking the concept of wireless EV charging. We'll explore how it works, its potential benefits, and whether it's a practical solution for everyday EV owners. First, we'll look at how wireless charging compares to traditional wired methods. Then, we'll dive into the technology behind it. And finally, we'll analyze the hurdles it faces before it can become mainstream. Stay tuned for a definitive verdict on whether wireless charging is really the future of EVs. Before we get into the wireless revolution, let's quickly recap how traditional EV charging works. Today, most electric vehicles rely on cables, the kind you plug into charging stations, your home outlet, or even specialized high-speed chargers. These charging cables have been a reliable solution since the EV boom began, but they come with their own set of challenges. For starters, cable-based charging can be cumbersome. No one enjoys standing in the cold or rain, waiting to plug in, or maneuvering to get the right angle for the connector. The process is also time-consuming, depending on the power source and your EV's charging capacity. Charging times can range from 30 minutes to several hours, and while fast charging stations exist, they're still not as widely available as we'd like. The most critical issue, however, is range anxiety. As EVs become more advanced, people expect more convenience, and wireless charging could provide a solution. What do you think? Do you think cables are here to stay, or is wireless charging the future? Drop a comment below. Now let's talk about how wireless charging works. At its core, wireless EV charging uses a technology called inductive charging. It's based on the same principle that powers devices like electric toothbrushes or wireless phone chargers. The technology relies on electromagnetic fields to transfer energy from a transmitter coil in the ground to a receiver coil in the vehicle. This setup has its advantages. For one, it allows for hands-free charging. Imagine simply parking your car over a charging pad, and within minutes your battery is charging automatically, without any physical connection. This convenience alone could make a big difference for EV owners, especially in urban areas where charging stations are becoming more scarce and harder to access. However, there's a catch: efficiency. Currently, wireless charging tends to be less efficient than wired charging, meaning it takes more time or energy to achieve the same results. But the technology is improving. With companies like Witricity and Tesla working on advancing this technology, efficiency rates are expected to improve in the coming years. Do you think this convenience is worth the trade-off in charging speed? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's dive into the benefits of wireless EV charging. The primary advantage is convenience. There's no need to worry about plugging in. Just drive over a charging pad and you're good to go. But beyond just convenience, wireless charging also has the potential to make charging more accessible. Many electric vehicles, especially larger ones like trucks and buses, could be integrated into a network of wireless charging pads installed in roads or parking lots. Imagine the possibility of dynamic charging, where your EV charges while driving, eliminating the need for frequent stops to recharge. This is already being tested in certain cities and could revolutionize long-distance EV travel. In addition, because wireless charging eliminates the need for physical connectors, it could reduce wear and tear on both the vehicle and the charging station. Over time, this could result in lower maintenance costs and a longer lifespan for both components. Would you like to see dynamic charging become a reality? Let us know in the comments. While wireless charging sounds great in theory, it's not without its challenges. The biggest hurdle is cost. Right now, installing wireless charging systems, especially in public spaces, can be expensive. This includes the infrastructure needed to support these systems, which would require a significant investment from both government bodies and private companies. Efficiency, as we mentioned earlier, is also a major concern. Wireless charging systems are typically less efficient than traditional wired charging methods, meaning they could take longer to charge a vehicle or draw more power for the same result. Another challenge is standardization. Right now, there are multiple companies and organizations working on different versions of wireless charging technologies, but there's no universal standard. This could lead to compatibility issues between different vehicles and charging systems. Until a universal standard is established, widespread adoption of wireless charging could be slowed. Do you think the cost is justified for the convenience of wireless charging, or is it just another tech gimmick? Comment below. To sum it all up, wireless EV charging is an exciting prospect that could change how we think about charging our vehicles. The convenience of not having to plug in is certainly appealing, and the potential for dynamic charging on roads could make long-distance EV travel more practical. However, it's not without its challenges, from cost to efficiency and the lack of standardization. So, is this the end of cables? While wireless charging technology is still in its infancy, it's clear that it has the potential to play a major role in the future of EVs. But for now, traditional wired charging remains the most reliable option. Before we wrap up, it's important to look ahead at where wireless EV charging could realistically take us in the next few years. As more automakers and tech companies start experimenting with inductive systems, we're beginning to see early signs of a bigger shift. Imagine smart parking lots where every space has a built-in charging pad, so your car charges automatically while you're at work, shopping, or even grabbing a coffee. No waiting, no cables. Just effortless, invisible charging happening in the background. And it doesn't stop there. Future city planning could integrate wireless charging into everyday infrastructure. Bus stops, taxi stands, and public roads could become continuous charging zones. Even if the technology isn't fully mature yet, the direction is clear. As EV adoption grows, the demand for cleaner, simpler, and more user-friendly charging solutions will push wireless systems forward faster than we think. The real potential lies in how seamlessly wireless charging can blend into daily life. Once charging becomes something you don't have to think about, EV ownership reaches a new level of convenience. And that's the kind of breakthrough that often triggers mass adoption of new technology. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to House of EV. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of electric vehicles and the technology shaping them. Until next time, keep charging ahead in every sense of the word.